Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners. Today I want to talk to you about and show you how to remove some tar that's on this BMW emblem. I have here my rapid remover and I just have a spray bottle of water and basically as a neutralizer. So I don't know how this got on here, but it's on there. And you can use this rapid remover to remove adhesives, tar, any foreign objects that would kick up on your car on the road. So to remove this tar that's on the emblem, I'm just going to put some on there. You don't have to protect the paint from it. It's basically about time. So you have to let it sit, and over a few minutes it'll start to loosen up, as it's doing already. You can see there that it started to loosen. While we're waiting, please subscribe, hit the bell, give me a thumbs up if you're liking my videos. So this way, when I do upload another video, you'll get notification by hitting that bell. We upload videos every week. It'd be nice if you visit our website at albanycountyfasteners.com for a huge inventory of all kinds of fasteners. So this is always time sensitive. You don't want to leave it on there longer than it needs to be. So you can use your finger. It doesn't burn the product, doesn't burn your hand, but it's good to wash your hands after you're done, or use a glove. Okay, it's coming loose now. You can see. And there's still a few pieces. I'm going to give it another spray. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. That's my water. Stay up there, water. I'm going to take that rapid remover. You can buy this right on Amazon, rapid remover. And I'll show you the label so you know what you're buying. It's great stuff. I use that on all my cars to remove tar from the road. It's still working. The other thing you'll find at our company is great customer service. You can call into our customer service anytime, and they'll give you amazing service, help you out, educate you should you not know the type of fasteners that you're looking for. There we go. It's all coming off now. Okay, then once I finish that, it's good to take this plain water from your faucet, spray it down just to neutralize the area from any of the chemicals. And of course you can then hit it with some quick wax or paste wax to protect the paint again. It's always good to do. Wipe down all the area where that spray and then I'm just going to take this and another white. There you go. Restored, beautiful. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.